Alright, today we're going to install the hard drive in our Popcorn Hour. You'll need a hard drive. This is actually 80 gig. You'll need a little adapter that came with the Popcorn Hour. You'll need the screws that came with it, and then you'll also need a Phillips screwdriver. So to get started, you have to undo the thumb screws here. There's 4 of them on the top. Take the top cover off, and if you watch the previous videos you can see that there's not much to the Popcorn Hour. Take your little adapter, goes in right here, and basically all you have to do is slide the hard drive in, and you'll see the IDE cable right here, the IDE connector. You want to slide that in there. Make sure you line up all the pins, and then we'll connect the power. A little tougher than I thought. Alright. Now, we'll take these 2 side things off of here because we actually have to flip the casing over, and you'll see that the screw holes for the hard drive are right at the bottom. So you use these provided screws, and you want to tighten them down in here. Go ahead and put all 4 of them in. Now the hard drive will give you the ability to actually store some files on there, so you don't have to stream them across your network. Now of course I'm only adding an 80 gigs, so that doesn't give me a lot of room. I'm more interested in BitTorrent. Alright, now that that's all tightened down, got the power in, it's all connected up, we can slide the side panels back on. We'll go ahead and put the top cover back on, tighten it down. Alright, now we'll go ahead and hook it up. I'm actually hooking this up through my video card on my computer. My girlfriend's watching some TLC marathon or something, I don't really know. Let me bring the camera over to the screen now. Zoom in here. Now I really have no idea what it's going to do, if it'll prompt to format the hard drive. There's actually a Windows XP install on it right now. So we'll see what it'll do. Alright, so that's all booted up. You can see slight delay running through the graphics card, but it's not too bad. Go over to media sources, and now you can see that it has hard disk A1 in there. You can also see my org on my home server, my main computer running the new Google Media Server. That's my main computer, and then we got the home server listed on there. So let's just click on the hard drive to see what it'll say. Alright, so it's looking for files, so let's go into setup. Oh, okay. So it's under maintenance. There's so you can install the Samba server, torrent server, UPnP AV server, and my iHome server. And I will just next this. Please select your desired option. Of course, it already warned me that it's going to erase this. I'm just going to leave all the defaults on here. Fresh setup, it'll remove all the hard disk contents. I don't care about that. So we'll use online here. I'll agree. And setup in progress. Now this will probably take a few minutes, so probably just stop the camera and then start it back up when it's done, and then we can go through all the new programs that are on there. So the program finished installing on the hard drive after it formatted it, and it rebooted when it was done, so it's actually it's still in the process of rebooting right now. And then we'll take a look around and see what's changed and see the options for BitTorrent and stuff like that. Alright, so let's take a look what's on the hard disk. Alright, so they have a section here for movies, photos, and videos. Music, photos, and videos, sorry. Alright, let's see if we go to setup and see if anything's changed in here. Yeah, there is. Now they have the Network Media Tank applications, so we'll click on that, take a look around. So we have the device name, Samba workgroup, and then you have the UPnP AV server, my iHome server, FTP server, Samba server, NFS server, and torrent. And you can actually just click on start on these. I just want to fire up the torrent server right now. So that's running, and right underneath that we have torrent settings. It gives you a port, max download rate, max upload rate, max number of peers. So that's how you get the get a hard drive installed in the Popcorn Hour, and a few new applications that you get with it. So, thanks for watching.